Here are the 3 apps that I've used to make money from my receipts. Hey guys, my name is Adrienne. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the 3 apps that I use to make money on my receipt. Yes, cold hard cash and sometimes gift cards, but let's hop right into it. The first app that I use is called Fetch, and this one is probably my most beloved at this point. I started using this back when I started YouTube after seeing several people use this. Specifically on Fetch, you can snap receipts from all stores and restaurants for some amount of points. They have qualifying retailers, so these would be grocery retailers, supermarkets, wholesale clubs, home improvement stores, pet stores, liquor stores, really any kind of receipt that you can think of. By submitting pictures of these receipts, you can actually get gift cards back. They have all kinds of gift cards that you can redeem for Walmart, Amazon, Delta Airlines, so many. Specifically, I usually stick with Walmart gift cards just because I know we go to Walmart often. It's like our closest grocery store, and so I know that they're going to be used often. There are certain retailers that cost more points for the same amount of gift cards. So let's say some gift cards are 50,000 points for a $50 gift card, and because Walmart is more of a high demand gift card, they charge in points $55,000 for a $50 gift card. I personally don't mind spending the extra $5,000 just because I know that we're going to be using it quickly. We can actually work it into our budget and put that towards our grocery bill. Receipts are generally worth something different depending on the store you're going to. For qualifying retailers, they're worth 25 points. Plus you can get bonus points if you purchased any products that are partner products that are listed in the app. For any other retailers or dining, you can get 5 points plus any bonus points. Generally in Fetch, $1 is equivalent to about 1,000 points. So that means for one non-bonus receipt, that equates to about 2.5 cents. Now there are other ways to get points on the Fetch app. You can connect your Amazon account, you can link your email for e-receipts, and you can purchase partner products on your scanned receipts like I was saying before. They usually have a promotion going on when you sign up. You can use the code GK8KE. I'll put it here on the screen so you can get usually 1,000 points, which is equivalent to $1 when you scan your first receipt. Fetch is generally the one I use the most. Fetch is one of my favorites, just they often have partner products that we use often and we can get money back. And we can also stack that money back with other apps. Recently, over 2.9 billion with a B records were stolen from the National Data Record, which offers personal information for employers, private investigators, staffing agencies, and other agencies doing background checks. These were all done by hackers. These stolen records included people's full names, their addresses, their social security numbers, their phone numbers. And this whole thing really hits close to home for me because if you guys have followed my channel for any amount of time, you know I've had family members who have had their identity stolen, and it is a lot of work to rebuild your personal identity once it is stolen. It can really affect somebody's financial life, but really it can affect your personal life. It really is an invasion of privacy for someone to steal your identity. And that's why I'm really grateful for today's sponsor, Aura. Aura can identify data brokers that are exposing your personal information and submit opt-out requests on your behalf. These data brokers make a fortune off of selling your personal information, and they sell that information to robocallers, spammers, and others who want to learn more about you and your life. Legally, these brokers are required to remove your information from these lists when you request it, but honestly, they make it really difficult to do so, which is why Aura is so great because they do all of the heavy lifting for you. Immediately when I started using Aura, they started removing my personal information from dozens of places, many of which I'd honestly never heard of before, and I have no idea how my information got there. Aura is super easy to set up. You don't have to download a bunch of different apps to get things like parental controls, antivirus, VPN, password management, identity theft insurance, and more. And even better, Aura is offering my viewers a 2-week completely free trial for you to use. So stop letting other people continue to exploit you and your personal information and go to aura.com/AdrienneInvests to sign up for that 2-week free trial. And I will also link it down in the description bar below. The second app that I use is my tried and true. I've been using this since 2014, and that's the Ibotta app. On Ibotta, it's similar to Fetch. You can submit a receipt specifically for qualifying products that are listed in the app. And these products are rotated out regularly. I'm pretty sure they have a specific time of the week that they upload new offers, but they also a lot of time give you cash back just for submitting a single receipt. Otherwise, you have to submit receipts for specific products that are in the app. There are tons and tons of qualifying retailers: Walmart, Target, your basic grocery stores, and wholesale stores. And you can also use this for online purchases. I didn't dive into this until recently. I used one of the offers that they had for a Blue Apron box, and so they had a offer for $20 back when you purchased a new box with like a new subscription, but you could cancel it at any time. And so I ended up getting like their cheapest box, which was like 2 meals, 2 servings for 2 meals, so technically like 4 meals, and the total was $25, and then I got $20 back, so I got the whole thing for $5. On Ibotta, you have to reach a threshold of $20 to be able to cash anything out. So just keep that in mind if you sign up until you hit $20 to be able to actually cash that out. But what's nice about Ibotta is you actually get cash back. So that money goes directly into your checking account once you hit that $20. I guess each receipt, if you are redeeming for a specific product that is in the app, can range from anywhere from 10 cents all the way up to free. They have a whole page of products that are free, but they also have products that you can purchase anything of a specific product. So like any chopped nuts or any Alaskan salmon or something like that. It doesn't have to be a specific brand. Oftentimes that they do this to promote another specific brand that you could purchase on the app. Other ways to redeem on this app is they do have bonuses if you redeem for multiple products. So that's a great way to really stack up that bonuses. Sometimes they give 5, 10 plus dollar bonuses. You can also use Ibotta as a cashback site. So Ibotta does have a plugin that you can use on your laptop and use it as a way to, if you enter a site through Ibotta, they'll oftentimes give you a certain percentage back. And that can include if you do any pickup orders, so Walmart and Target, or if you're ordering anything from really anywhere, you can get a certain percentage back. And like I said, they do offer some products completely free, which is sometimes just fun to try things out and not have to pay for them. Ibotta is probably my most loved app. I've been using this since 2014, and so far I've made over $1,200 back from using the Ibotta app. And if you use my code VX2HHG, you can get $5 back when you submit your first receipt, so that can really help you get to that $20 quicker. All right, my third and final app that I love using is the Receipt Hog app. In the Receipt Hog app, you can earn coins from any store, big or small, that sells groceries, health items, beauty products. So these would be supermarkets, wholesale clubs, convenience stores, anything of the sort. And just like in the Ibotta app, you can actually cash out into your own PayPal account or as a Visa gift card. Receipts are generally worth something different depending on what amount you cash out for in the end. So they have different thresholds. So you can either redeem out for $5 at 1,000 coins, $15 at 2,900 coins, $25 at 4,300 coins, or $40 at 6,500 coins. So if you do the math, you're gonna get the most bang for your buck if you wait until you hit that $40 mark. From there, you can cash out into your PayPal account, and then from PayPal, you can switch into your bank account. Each receipt is worth something different depending on how much you charged on your receipt. So receipts for under $10, you get 5 coins. Receipts from $10 to $50, you get 10 coins. Receipts from $50 to $100, you get 15 coins. And anything over 100, you get 20 coins. So for example, if I had a $20 receipt, it would be worth anywhere from 5 to 6 cents. So if you do the math, generally depending on if you're cashing out for the $5 cash out or the $40 cash out, a $25 receipt is going to be worth somewhere between 5 and 6 cents. Other ways you can get coins are, depending on things that you've purchased, you may qualify for certain surveys and they will give you additional coins if you complete those surveys, if you qualify for them. You can also use Hog Levels. So Hog Levels is pretty much their loyalty program if you continue to upload receipts to their site. So the longer that you use the app, the more coins you're going to get. You can also link your Amazon account, your Kroger account if you have one. You can also link your email for e-receipts. And they also have monthly drawings, but I think I've won one time in the 10 years that I've used this app, and I think I won 5 coins, so I don't really bet on getting anything from that. I started using this app back in 2014, and on average I probably make about $30 a year from this app, which is a small amount, but every little bit helps. I will put the link down below for this app for you to download it and all of the other apps that I mentioned. So keeping track of your receipts within these apps are really tedious and why I think there are many benefits to doing it. There are some reasons not to do it, which I wanted to talk about. One is it does take a good amount of time before you actually build up any amount of actual money back. And because of that, it does take a lot of patience to keep these in your app and to remember to use them when you get receipts. And it really isn't for anybody who wants their habits tracked. That's what these, specifically Receipt Hog, not necessarily Fetch and Ibotta, but Receipt Hog, they are tracking your habits for marketing purposes, and that's why they're able to pay out for each receipt. So if you don't want your habits tracked, then Receipt Hog is probably not the one for you to use. But Ibotta and Fetch, their primary purpose is to be essentially like a modern day coupon. So nobody really uses physical coupons anymore from the papers, but you're able to get money back for things that you purchase in Ibotta or Fetch. But there are also a lot of reasons you should do it. For one, it's free money, like I said, kind of like using coupons, so getting money back on your purchases. Probably the primary reason I like using it is because I can keep track of my receipts even years later. So I've often used one of these apps, specifically Receipt Hog, to be able to track back a receipt that I need to be able to return something that I don't have the physical receipt for anymore. And it's saved me several times being able to track that receipt down because I often don't keep a physical copy of all of my receipts. Like I said, I will link all 3 of these apps down below for you to download. Thank you guys for checking out my channel. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and share it with somebody who would also appreciate getting money back from those receipts. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.